This video shows how to add or remove materials from your organization's preferred materials list in MI Pro. Open the Explore app. To add a single material to your preferred materials list, or remove it, open its datasheet, and click Edit. In the Preferred Material field, choose Preferred. Then click Save. In the Explore web app, this preferred material now has a green check, and is available to CAD and CAE users. To change the preferred status of several records at once, use Excel. Start by searching or filtering to select the records whose status you want to change. Then click Edit Preferred List on the toolbar. Open the file in Excel. Use the drop-down boxes, or the features of Excel, to change the preferred status of each record. To apply these changes to the material records in MI Pro, import the spreadsheet file, using the Import app. Browse to find the spreadsheet you edited, or drag it onto the panel. Then click Import to import the record property data, and update your preferred materials list. The status, Completed, means the import was successful. Return to the Explore app, and perform a hard refresh to reload the page. Find the modified records and verify that their preferred status has changed. You can see that the updated material records now have a green tick. These materials will now be available to CAD and CAE users in the MI Pro web application and in the MI Materials Gateway application.